Welcome to Instrulogic. In today's video, we are going to test your knowledge on VFD troubleshooting. This is a small quiz with 10 multiple-choice questions. Every question has 4 options and only one correct answer. These questions are based on real-field problems, maintenance issues, and common VFD trips. Pause the video, think, and choose your answer before I show the result. Let's start the quiz. Question number 1. VFD shows overcurrent trip. What is a common cause? Question number 2. During deceleration the VFD trips on overvoltage. Why? Question number 3. VFD display is on but motor does not start. What should you check first? Question number 4. VFD trips on overtemperature. What is the first quick check? Question number 5. Why do VFDs create harmonics on the supply? Question number 6. Motor speed hunts, goes up and down. Likely reason? Question number 7. Which wrong parameter can overheat the motor? Question number 8. Why should we avoid switching an output contactor while VFD is running? Question number 9. Good preventive maintenance for VFD includes. Question number 10. DC bus capacitors mainly affect. So this was today's VFD troubleshooting quiz. Comment below how many answers you got correct. If this video helped you, like the video and share it with your maintenance team. Subscribe to Instrulogic for more practical field knowledge on instruments, PLC, and drives. See you in the next video.